You know, if you're a Morning Blend viewer, that I love talking about beauty and different procedures that are the newest and greatest out there. How about one that'll actually tighten the skin? Maybe people do this in the mirror without surgery. That's what we're talking about today. Of course, we are once again at Academic Alliance in Dermatology, and I'm joined by my new friend, Melinda, who's going to tell us about this new procedure that involves no downtime as well. Melinda, welcome to the show. How are you?
I am wonderful. Great to meet you today.
I'm excited to meet you, and already as I'm learning about this, I can't believe the results that you are able to get without surgery. Explain what we're talking about and how this new therapy can help people at home.
The All Therapy is the only FDA-cleared lifting and tightening device that can clinically give you a full lift on the face without surgery. It's very comfortable and the patients love it.
You know, I think people love results when it comes to beauty treatments and ways to feel better about themselves when you look in the mirror. So the fact that you've got a procedure to be able to do this without surgery, let's talk about how it's actually done, because many people could still be a little intimidated, I'm sure, about coming in.
We create microthermal energy into the skin with heat, and that allows the body to naturally rebuild collagen and tighten and lift in the skin.
Are you saying this is a natural way to get these results?
Yes, it absolutely is. There's no downtime. You can do it any time of the year. The patients are happy. They don't have to have surgery. They don't have any scarring. It's an amazing procedure.
And when you do think about surgery, I always think of downtime. What kind of downtime are we talking here?
Absolutely none. You can go right back to work the next day and nobody knows you've done anything. It's your secret.
I'm digging the sounds of this. I'm curious though, what kind of patients do you see? Because I know when you come in and you get to talk and you get to spending time with people, Melinda, you kind of figure out what they're going for, what they want to look like, what they want to accomplish. Who's an ideal patient for this All Therapy?
Any patient that wants to be prettier is an ideal patient. The patients that I see range in the from the age of 20 to 80 years old. They come in for different and various treatments. It can range from a small area to a large area. So we can customize everything depending on the individual. Obviously, the younger you are, the more perky you are, and the easier it is to treat. A little more work may be done with an older person, but then again, beauty is beauty. Right?
I love that you were saying, though, that it doesn't matter what age, you can still come in and get this done. People don't need to look in the mirror and say, well, I'm a lost cause. There's no way some procedure is going to help me.
Every treatment will give a patient improvement. They'll always see some type of results and look prettier and feel more confident about themselves.
Let's talk about the results. How long do they last? How often do you need treatments?
So the initial procedure, you'll have an initial build of collagen and a boost in the skin that will continually grow for up to 6 months. Then you still have a good result that continues to maintain itself for 2 years. So what I always suggest to my patients is, why stop? Why not continue to build? Right? So you come in, you can choose to have the optional maintenance, do a little bit of treatment every 3 months, 6 months, once a year, and that's just a boost. Keep that collagen building.
So when it does come to All Therapy, maybe I saved one of the hardest questions for last. Does it hurt? Is it painful?
When the treatment is performed under a experienced professional, the procedure is usually very comfortable. My patients leave very happy, very confident, and feeling good about themselves. The other things that we can do to make the patient more comfortable is we can give them a topical anesthetic, they can take an over-the-counter pain reliever, and we also have the introduction of a new Pronox system, which just makes the patient very comfortable.
And you did talk about your experience. How important is experience? Because it seems like it's very important, and this is something that you've been able to bring years to.
When you have the experience, you also build that confidence with the patient. The patients feel better. That gives a positive energy, and everybody's feeling good. The experience, I believe, and the way I go about it, my patients are always absolutely excited when they leave. They don't feel any pain for the most part. Most of them say, hey, this is awesome. It's nothing like I read.
And like you said, too, you are able to bounce back with the no downtime and get right back to it. Anything else you'd want people out there to know about All Therapy? Maybe this is the first time they're hearing about it?
The All Therapy procedures that we perform are very, very customizable. So we're able to do different areas of the body. If you just have concern about your eyes and some drooping, we can build the collagen and give you a brow lift. Build collagen underneath the eyes, on the lips, and we're now introducing tummy tights. So we can add the tummy tightening to the body, the knees, the hands, the décolletage.
Well, again, that's probably why it is so important to have experience like yourself. Melinda, it was so nice to meet you. And as always, you can get more information about this and any of our other segments at tbmorningblend.com.